Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chef B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure that you are subscribed down below. Now for today's video, I'll be styling this wig from OMGHerHair.com, and they sent me this 8-inch curly bob wig. It is 180% density, so you know this wig is super full. Now you may see this wig and say, this wig looks familiar, because I did style a wig similar to this one over a month ago and I labeled it the auntie wig. So for this look, I want it to be more like a 80s vibe. I want it to be big and curly. Now the tint or the lace of this wig is medium brown, but I feel like I needed it to be a little bit more darker just to match my complexion more when it's melted. So I did use my own lace tint that I created. If you want to see how I did that, I'll leave the link to the video where I made my own lace tint. So I sprayed that on there, and then to melt the lace, I'll be using the Got to Be freezing spray, because it is one of the lightest wig applicators out there to me, because you're not putting this wig on your edges, of course, but it's so easy to remove with water, and it still makes your wig feel super secure, as opposed to maybe using a stronger glue, because I have much confidence in them type of glues, because I'm trying to lose my edges, sis. Like, we ain't about that life. So what I do is I spray the Got to Be freezing spray on top of the lace, then I use a blow dryer to help it to dry. Now when it's dry, I lift the lace and then I just cut off the extra lace, and whatever is lifted after I remove the extra lace, I just use the freezing spray once more on the edge just to make it melt, and then I use this molding wrap to help it to melt and dry in place. Now previously styling this type of wig, I use water to help the wig to lay flat and give it a curly laid down look. And as I said, I wanted this to be big and curly, so the purpose of the mousse is to help the curls to be more defined, especially when it's dry, and I use my fingers to fluff it out. So this is just to help the curls to come together to give it that big look. So I'm just going to use my fingers just to apply the mousse all over, play with the hair, angle it how I want it to angle, like just get it to look like my type of wig, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm going to remove the molding wrap, and my face is a little bit dry on the edge there. Once I put on makeup and everything, or if I just use my moisturizer to just take out the dryness of my forehead from the freezing spray, it will blend great. So I'm just using some more mousse just to give it a soup to the doop type of style. And I don't know, I'm just trying to play with the hair. Sometimes your lace don't comes out as great as you want it to, so to get it to the closest thing to perfection, you can do, again, I don't know, like fix the edges a little bit just to give it that, get it close to perfection as possible. So then I leave that to dry while I do my makeup, and this is the final look. And yeah, just play with the hair, get it to suit you, sis. Like, get it to be you. Like, you gotta rock this wig with confidence. Like, sis, like I said, this is no longer an auntie vibe, this is big cousin vibe with this look, because we're giving it some big fluffy curls, we're having it bigger. It's a whole vibe, sis. And since I have 2 of this type of wig, now I'm going to do a giveaway. So go into the community section of my channel. You can see it on your phone or on your desktop, and I will leave the instructions on how to enter the giveaway. The details for this wig will be in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chef, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.